Okay, so we're going to do a little interactive thing. So we're going to click on the red pop tips to see how positive and negative charges react on the balloon. So remember, the buildup of electrical charges on an object is called static electricity. Rubbing objects together causes them to touch in more places, and it produces more static electricity. So when we rub a balloon and a wool cloth, they're both neutral. Each has many negative charges as positive charges. But by rubbing the balloon with the wool, negative charges build up on the balloon. So we get more negative charges because we have this wool that we're rubbing on it and it goes on to the balloon. So we have more negative than positive. And then the negative charges on the balloon attract the positive charges on the wall. And that's what causes the balloon to stick to the wall.